Hi, this is Pankaj and you are watching Pragati Digital Education YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to create a quiz assignment using Google Forms. I am recording this video on Windows PC and the process will be same as if you are using a tablet or even a mobile phone. Look, I have a icon on my desktop that is Google Classroom. So how I have created the icon of this on my desktop? I go and show the process how to create any website icon on your desktop. First of all, I am going to open the Google Chrome. That is my classroom. Already I have opened. I go to the teacher training section and I am going and opening the classwork. Then I go and link. And after that, once I go on the link, there will be the resource center, auto draw, quick draw. I am going to be open resource center. If once I click on the resource center, I am going to the right side top corner. There will be the three dot in the Google Chrome. Click on that and then go to the more tools and go and create shortcut. I go once more, go on the right side top corner three dot and go on the more tools and create shortcut. If you click on the create shortcut, there will be the pop-up will be going to be appear on your center of the screen. Click on create shortcut. Simply click on create, because don't check mark this open as window. Please don't check mark this open as window. Simply click on create. If you click on create, you can find on your desktop there will be the icon will be added. The resource center icon will be going to be added on your desktop, simply as like Google Classroom. So I hope everyone can make an icon on their home screen or even on the desktop by using this method. Now I am going to move how to create a quiz assignment using Google Forms. So simply I have to go on the classwork section. You have to be go to the create and you have to be click on the quiz assignment. Once you click on the quiz assignment, there will be the assignment window will be open, and you find there will be the something called blank quiz. Google Forms will be already added on your assignment. So that's why that is called quiz assignment. If you are using a tablet or mobile phone, maybe that form will be not going to be added, but if you are using a laptop, that form is must included here. Okay, I am going to be title section. So title section I am going to be give a title for that. I am going to be give a general knowledge test. General knowledge test. Okay, so general knowledge test. Instruction will be, you can instruct for the choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. After that, if you give the instruction, you have to be go on click that form. If you going to be click on that form, that will be going to be open in a new window. I am going to click on that. See, that form will be going to open in a new window. So I am going to guide each and everything in this form, how to create and how to get it updated from your classroom. Okay, so if you click on that form, that will be going to be open and there will be the blank quiz will be written. So I am going to be first, that is the heading. So I am going to be change it called GS test. Okay, that will be the GS test. Even if I want to give a description of that form, like test on India or test world history or even what you want to be test, so that will be going to be write you can on description. That is so simple. After that, you have the untitled question. You click on that untitled question, that will be going to be editable. After going to be editable, I am just going to be asked my question. What is the my question is? My question is, first question is, where is the capital of India? Simple, so simple. So that is the my question, where is the capital of India, and I have to be given them the options for their answer. So option 1 is already here, so click on that, and I am going to be right here and Raipur. The second one, you press the tab button for 2 times, you can go on the second, or even go a mouse and click on there. So second option will be Raipur, and there will be the Kolkata, and I'm going to be click on that 8 option, Mumbai, or I'm going to create one more, Delhi. Okay, that is the one. Now I have added 4 options for that, but you can see there is the answer key option will be given there below. Click on that and choose the correct answer, Delhi, and you can give in, if you want to give a points for each answer. Suppose I am going to give 10 points for each answer. Done. Now there will be the required section, because the question, if you click on that required, the student must have to choose one answer, because without answering they are not going to be submit that form. So I click on that is must required. Now I am going to add one more question, so I simply duplicate this whole setting. So I click on that duplicate one. Look, there will be the same one copy will be created here. So I am going to be edit simply. Where is the capital of Madhya Pradesh? Simply. So Madhya Pradesh, Raipur, Kolkata. So I must include the capital of Madhya Pradesh. So I created, and I have to be change the answer key as well. Only choose one, and I have 10 points already added. Okay. So I have added two questions with multiple choice. Their answer will be the 2 MCQ is will added. Now what you have to be do, you have to be just simply go and refresh it from there. If you go and refresh it, you find your form is ready. Now you just don't close it right now, you come back to your classroom. Now you also have to refresh it once more, but before refreshing it, you have to be go on and check the ungraded 2. I have the 20 marks question, and I have the no due date. I have to be check one due date. Time will be optional. Topic, I have to be create one topic, that will be the quiz topic, simply quiz. Now I have to go assign, but before going assign, I have to be refresh it more, or even I can assign it without refreshing. My form will be going to be automatically updated. So I am going to be simply click on assign. Once I click on assign, it will be going to be assigned to each student. Look, quiz, general knowledge test, and that will be the quiz. So that is going to be assigned. Look, GS test, and there will be the Google form, and there will be the 18 assignee will be there. So all of the teacher has been taken in one assignment for GS test as a MCQ. Okay, I'm going to be I'm not in that that how it's look like for the student, but that will be going to be look like to each teacher, that how it will be looks like. After once you assign the test, your all the participants once submit their answer, you get in turned in. So when the all the participants going to be submit their answer, you getting the turned in response. So I hope you are able to create that quiz assignment using Google form. Now you come back on that form again, you have to be simply close that form. There will be no need to save or no need to do anything. That file is going to be auto saved on your Google Classroom. You don't have to be saved anything. I'm just going to be close it, and now your file will be ready. Now I'm going to be on the stream section. There will be the one posted a new assignment. General knowledge test will be also created on that stream section, and each of student also get a message of that one assignment will be created for that name. Now I'm going to be in that video. I hope you like it. Thank you. Have a good day.